Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. I'm super excited today because we're going to be opening up one of my favorite boxes ever, Didi's Deluxe Bead Box for the month of June. Whether you're a seasoned jewelry maker or just starting out, this collection is bound to inspire your creativity. I promise you. So let's dive in and see what treasures await us in this month's box. And here we have Didi's Deluxe Bead Box for the month of June 2024. And I haven't shown you this sticker lately, but down here it says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. And it does every single time. Now, if you're not familiar with this box, I'll leave some information down below in the description section of this video, along with a link to the website and a coupon code in case you're interested. Let's go ahead and open it up. And it looks like the name of this box is the Beauty of Tourmaline. It says our June edition brings you one of my favorite stones, celebrated by its feminine array of colors, ranging from soft pastels to deep, vibrant tones. This stunning gem will inspire you to create distinctive and eye-catching designs effortlessly. And it's actually very true. I absolutely love the colors of tourmaline. And down here are the contents. As you can see, they list all the strands. They list the length of the strands, the size of the beads, and how many beads are in each strand. And down here it says, I hope this month's edition has inspired you. Happy beading. And my jaw just dropped, guys. Look how beautiful these beads are. Oh my goodness. Let me pull them out. Just look at these beautiful beads. They outdo themselves every single month. I love these colors. They weren't joking when they said it was going to be effortless to create something. Let me get organized and we'll go through each item. Here are the first 4 strands. There's a total of 8 strands in this month's box. And just look at how these colors coordinate, guys. They do such a nice job of putting these beads together. I absolutely love this combination. The other nice thing about Didi's Deluxe Bead Box is that they give you different sizes. They give you small beads as well as larger beads, and different shapes as well. Let's take a look at this beautiful strand. This is the Inspired by Czech Designer strand. Each box always comes with one, and they always make sure they match the colors of the rest of the beads. So as you can see, they did a great job of picking up the tourmaline colors. So we have a beautiful leaf bead right here on the end, and then another one here. We have some spacer beads. We have this bead here. I love that color. We have a beautiful rose coin bead, it looks like, with the gold wash. And here's another type of coin bead, I guess. And we have a bead cap right there. And then we have this one here. What a pretty color that is. Another spacer bead. A metal bead right there. Another rose bead. And then on the left is a repeat of what was on the right. Aren't these absolutely gorgeous? I really love how they put these beads together. I guess these are metal beads on the ends as well. Very, very lovely. And very romantic as well. Let's take a look at this beautiful strand of tourmaline. Look how long this strand is. It's actually 15 inches long. And there are 85 pieces on this strand. And these are rondelles. They measure 6 by 4 millimeters. They're listed as vibrant tone tourmaline rondelles. There's a total of 85 pieces on this strand. Look at these colors, guys. Tourmaline has so many different colors. I'm seeing pink, green, gray tones, teal tones, golden tones. These are absolutely stunning. And they feel so nice too, very smooth. Let's take a look at this one. This one is listed as soft tone tourmaline jade, and they're 8 millimeters in size, and this is also a 15-inch strand, and there are 48 pieces on this strand. They're definitely soft tone, kind of pastel looking, but they have some of the same colors, pinks and greens and peach. Very, very nice. And they're very glossy too. Let's take a look at these nuggets. These are listed as green strawberry nuggets. And honestly, guys, I've never heard of green strawberry stones. I've heard of strawberry quartz. But anyway, this is a 7-inch strand and there are 16 pieces. And they're absolutely lovely. Look at that. These are going to look very beautiful outside in the sunlight. I'm very, very impressed. Let me get some more strands. Here are the next 4 strands. And as you can see, the colors are very similar to what I just showed you, but they have a little bit of a softer tone. I'm loving this one right here. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous these are. These are so beautiful. They're listed as faceted diamond cut golden rugilated quartz, which is a type of quartz that has needle-like inclusions. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Oh my goodness, these are so beautiful. I really love this stone. But anyway, these measure 8 millimeters in size, and this is a 7-inch strand, and there are 22 pieces. I don't think the camera is doing them justice. These are really, really beautiful, guys. They really are. The inclusions look a little bit golden. How beautiful. I'm very impressed. I know I keep saying that, but you can see for yourself how beautiful these beads are. Let's take a look at these now. These are listed as fancy pink/sage mixed glass beads, and they're 8 millimeters in size, and there are 25 pieces on this strand. I love that sage color. Sage and pink to me look really good together. They really do. These are very, very pretty. And that's a 7-inch strand as well. And here's something different. Look at the texture on these beads. Isn't that cool? It's so cool. They're listed as deep aqua blue textured glass beads, and they're 8 millimeters in size, and there are 25 pieces on this strand. I really do love this texture. It's very different. And I love this color. It's very, very pretty. And even though they're textured, you can see they're a little bit transparent as well. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at these now. These are 4 millimeters in size. They're tiny beads. They're listed as sage green electroplated crystal rondelles. And this is a 15-inch strand, and there are 95 pieces on this strand. And boy, do these sparkle. Look at that. I love the plating on these beads. They're very, very sparkly, which is nice. I like to have a little bit of sparkle now and then. Like I said before, they give you a lot of variety in this box. Let me get the loose beads now. And here we have 4 different types of beads, and they're all absolutely beautiful. I love these leaf beads. It's going to inspire me to make something whimsical. Let me go ahead and put these on a rod. Here I have 4 of them. There's a total of 10 pieces, and they're listed as 12 to 14 millimeter sage green luster ceramic beads. I don't know what they mean by 12 to 14 millimeters. I guess they're a little bit irregular. Some may be longer than others, which I actually like because I think that makes a piece very interesting looking. But anyway, look at this beautiful luster on these beads. They're so pretty. They really are. And I like this color. I love sage green. Of course, they're going to go really well with the tourmaline because they're green. Very, very pretty. Let's take a look at these now. Here's 4 of them, and there's a total of 10, but I actually counted 12 pieces. I'm not sure if this is a typo or not. It might be a typo. But if it's not a typo, lucky me. But anyway, these are listed as Mystic Sage Flat Teardrop Crystals, and they measure 10 millimeters. This is such a pretty finish. Look at that. It's almost mirror-like, but they're transparent. It's hard to explain. But these are really, really beautiful. And I like that they're flat too. And they're super shiny. Let's take a look at these now. I think I got one of each kind. As you can see, it's a mix, and it does say that it varies. So you may not have the same leaves in your box, but this mix is listed as a tourmaline leaf mix, and they're top drilled, as you can see, and they measure 18 millimeters in length, and there's a total of 24 pieces. But look at this beautiful variety of leaves. We have some that are transparent, we have some that are opaque, we have some that have a gold wash, and some that don't. They're absolutely gorgeous, they really are. I love how this one shimmers, and they definitely do pick up the colors of tourmaline. They pick up the pinks, the greens, the gold. How lovely are these? These are absolutely gorgeous. I love the variety of colors. Let's take a look at these interesting looking beads. They definitely have an interesting shape. Here's 3 of them. There's a total of 6. And look how they fit together. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. Each one has 4 little prongs, as you can see. And then when you bring them in, they actually fit really nicely together. That is so cool. I really love these and I like the finish. They're listed as fancy, cut, green, draw bench, lucite spaces. And the size isn't listed, but they look like they might be 12 millimeters in length. They honestly don't look like lucite beads to me though. And you can see how they drizzle the paint on the surface. I think that's why they're called draw bench. How interesting. These are so cool. Let me get the rest of the items. Here are the rest of the items. We have some metal connectors and a beautiful pendant. Let's take a look at it. Wow, look at this. It's filled with tourmaline chips and it measures 49 millimeters in length and it's faceted, as you can see. Look how pretty, oh my gosh. The back has the faceted glass as well. That is so cool. I'm really impressed. It has a bail, as you can see, which you could remove if you wanted to, if you didn't want to use it. But that's very convenient to have a bail. But it also has a loop, so you could definitely remove that bail. And it's very heavy too. Wow, I'm very impressed. I love that it has all those chips in there. Let's take a look at these links. As you can see, there are 2 different kinds. There are 4 of these and 4 of these. I just didn't put them all on the tray. And both kinds have 2 loops. You can see it right there. This one has 2 loops too. It's a little bit more difficult to tell because of the open design, but it does have 2 loops. Let's see the other side. That one looks different on the back. And I think this one's the same on both sides. I'm pretty sure it is. But anyway, they're listed as fancy filigree gold iron connectors and they measure 14 millimeters across. And they're actually very lightweight, which is perfect if you want to make earrings with them. I'm not sure if that's what I'll do, but I'm definitely going to think about it. But I really do love these. I pretty much love everything about this box. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put everything on my workspace so we can see the entire collection. Well, here's the entire collection, the Beauty of Tourmaline collection for the month of June. And I can't say enough about this box. It's absolutely amazing. This color palette is sophisticated, warm, but vibrant as well because of the beautiful tourmaline colors. To me, it evokes a sense of tranquility for some reason. I think it's because of the pinks and the greens. And I love that they included this strand of quartz in that neutral color. And of course, I love this designer strand. It's one of my favorites. I pretty much use it every single month in my designs. But as you can see, guys, they really did a great job of creating the beads, the colors. It's definitely very harmonious. But the collection is also very versatile because of all the different sizes, which makes it very easy to design necklaces, bracelets, earrings, whatever you want. You really can't go wrong with these beads. I know I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with them. So I want you to come back and check my channel for a future tutorial using the contents of this box. And if you have time, I'd love to hear your opinion. If you could leave some comments down below, I'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.